Are you worried AI might be coming for your job? What if the work you do every day could be taken over by a machine smarter than you in just a few years? Tech is so advanced, it's already reshaping entire industries. But here's the bombshell. How safe is your livelihood from this digital takeover? Often mimicking human responses so well clients don't notice. Even creative fields aren't immune. Graphic design apps use AI to generate layouts or edit images. Sometimes deciding who gets an interview before a human even looks. Even driving jobs face threats from self-driving tech. Here's the hard truth. AI isn't just existing in the workplace. It's poised to redefine it, from small gigs to lifelong professions, often without warning. We'll also explore real stories of workers who